No. 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 Definitely not. No, definitely not. Oh! And Bully's special prize. Look at this little beauty. This has got to be under £5 grand. A little bit green, but a few little things missing off the outside, a few broken trims. Now the chances are, if we're looking at something under 5,000, it's probably going to need a little bit of work. So let's have a look and see what it's like inside. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be honest. It's a hell of a lot better than it looks on the outside. We've still got a few, we've still got a few things that need repairing. But that's going to be the thing, at under £5,000, it's going to need a little bit of work. You're going to have things that are broken. Big one is damp. So again, if you've not got a damp meter, by going around and actually feeling the wall boarding to see whether it's solid, and again actually just going round, and when you actually come to an area then that is soft, you will feel the difference. So anywhere where there's awning rails, any apertures, so the window seals, boxes from the outside along the bottom edge, along the floor, and again looking for visual signs of damp, see around the window, see if there's any water actually coming in, if it's been raining, or any signs that there's been water coming in. This doesn't look too bad at all. So despite it looking a little bit grim on the outside and a few little bits and bobs broken here and there, it's actually a cracking little van. And a little bit of time spent on this and it would make an ideal first time starter caravan. So let's have a look at the equipment level that we get in a under £5,000 van actually. So we still get the newer Truma heating system. That's got the blown air. We've still got the newer Truma water heater. So again, that's got the latest boiler in. We've still got the Electrolux fridge, which in actual fact when I put the power into this it kept tripping out, and the reason is that the element on the fridge has gone. So again, if your electrics keep tripping out, isolate the electrics and then work around the appliances to see what's causing it to trip out. And on this one it was actually the fridge, so I know that the fridge is gone. We've still got a nice oven, we've got the hob, a grill and a nice sink area, and again we've got a nice big bathroom at the back. This is the same van. Oh no, it's newer. It's a little bit newer, this one. So again, we're doing under 5,000 again. This is 2 years newer than the other one. So let's have a look what the difference is. Oh, it's a bit different, this one. It's very similar, but you can see where the difference is just that extra couple of years, and we've just got a little bit upgraded. We've still got the same heater, similar sort of fridge oven, but we've just got a few more curves and tweaks, and again we gain on the big roof light. So this is still under 5,000, so I'm imagining that there's got to be a bit of an issue with this. It looks a real nice van, and again we've got a nice big washroom. So wow, yeah, massive. So again, same layout. I've just been having a quick look and we've got a few little signs of leaks etc around the front, and we've got a little bit of softness around the front window. So hence why this is newer, but it's probably going to be not a million miles away from the slightly older one, just because it's got a few more issues, sort of the damp and whatever, so that'll bring the price down on this one. But again, nothing major. It just looks like a bit of an easy fix, to be fair. So if you're willing to do a little bit of work and put a little bit more time into it, then you can actually get a little bit newer van and not actually pay an awful lot more, and just get a slightly updated version with just that extra little bit of work putting into it. So it's well worth considering.